Hey guys, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Power XL air fryer steamer. I never knew there was a such thing until I went looking for an air fryer, and this is my gift to myself for Christmas. So yeah, I'm going to unbox it. Let's see what's all inside of this bad boy. This thing is huge. Like, this thing is huge. Hold on. The box alone, just to give you an idea, is 16.5 inches that way and 17.5 inches this way. Like, this is a big box. So we're going to open it and see what this entails. It's a 7-quart and up to 6+ servings, and yeah, it says up to 70% fewer calories from fat than traditional air frying. Rapid air technology circulates hot air to fry food. Steaming technology locks in juices and retain nutrients. One-touch self-cleaning prevents water mineral buildup. We have 3 cooking modes: steam, air fryer, and a combo. You could do vegetables, seafoods, bagels, pretzels, breads, and dumplings. And a bonus grill plate is inside of here. Oh, I guess I got a mail-in grill plate. Oh, I'm definitely gonna mail that in. But I don't have a receipt. I don't know how I do that. Probably got to print it off of Kohl's online. So this is what this part looks like, and it shows you some of the great recipes and this great stuff that I guess you can cook with this bad boy. So yeah, let's get into the box. If you did not see the other previous videos where I shared the steal of a deal off of Kohl's, it is normally $200. It was 40% off, and I used Kohl's Cash. So with taxes and shipping, this ended up being $58 and some change. Let me get all these sides open. I got this bad boy taped down good. I think that was it. Oh, my razor went in. It's up. Still not coming out. Let's see. All right, on our way. So as you see, it comes with the paperwork, instructions, and I believe it's a recipe book in here too. We'll take that one a bit. Whoa, this thing is big. And you know, when you're in a store and you see something, the store is so big, so it doesn't look as big in the store to you. But when you get stuff home, that's just like furniture. You know how something looks a certain way in the store, but then when you get it home, you're like, whoa, this is ridiculously huge. Like, this thing, oh my gosh. This thing is huge. Like, okay, let me get it out. Be right back. Stinker. Wow. Oh, wow. This is the water reservoir for steaming. Here. Wow. Let's show you how big this 7-quart bad boy is. Let's get this tape off. Hold on. All right. So it's so pretty. It's just huge. Whoa. This is huge. This is huge. Let's see what that looks like in the inside. It is 10 inches that way. It is 9.5 this way. And there are pans that you literally can put in here. A guy said he used a stainless steel. Then there's some nonstick ones that fit perfectly in here. Doug talked about it on his channel that you could set right in here if you don't want to lay it on this, which laying it on this is what allows it to be crispy so the air can flow. So it's up to you. Guess if you're steaming certain things, like he did spaghetti and he put the pan in and put his pasta in and stuff. So yeah, this is a nice size. Let's turn it on and see what it looks like. All right, it is plugged up. And there we go. We have up temperature. Goes to 400. Let's see how low it goes. Oh, okay. Wow. Oh, 180. You have steam. Okay, and all the options. You can go up the temperature, the time. Let's see the longest it'll let you. Oh, okay. Wow. Oh, wow. Is it 60 minutes? Yep, it goes as high as 60 minutes. It has steaks, chicken, fries, potatoes, bread, bagels, cakes, and I think that's broccoli. Okay, really nice and simple and straight to the point. I'm liking this. I am liking this. What can I show you in here just to show you how big this is? I don't know. This is a bag of the 9-ounce Ghirardelli chocolates. Like, that's the medium size, the middle bag, I believe. Yeah, I don't know if that's helping. But just think about a sheet of paper, like a printing paper. Most air fryers, you can't even get that in there like that. It's not the full paper getting in there, but enough of it. So we have important, I guess this stuff, I don't know, warranty stuff. To redeem your bonus grill plate. Cool. And then, I wonder if you have to pay shipping on that. Yep, and a recipe book. So it's the recipe book. Ooh. Great recipes. Ooh, I love me some lasagna, air fried chicken. Those ribs look good, even though I don't eat ribs, but I'm tempted. Ooh, yes, I can't wait. Copycat Red Lobster biscuits. Okay, so, and then what is this? I don't know what this is. I guess just instructions on how to use it and all that good stuff is in here. So yeah, that's that. Remove basket. Okay, nothing major. And then the owner's manual, basically, that's what this is. So yeah, that's what comes all inside of it, and there is nothing else in the box. So that's all that comes, and that's nice, simple. I love it. I'm excited about it. I'm excited about using it. I want you to stay tuned, because you know I'm going to be making some great power. How do I cut the power off? Oh, off. I didn't mean to do that. Let's see how loud it sounds. It sounds like it's revving up like a motor. It's not too bad. I can deal with it. Yeah, it's not too bad. I can deal with it. So yeah, let me unplug it. Maybe it'll, yeah. Now it's a nice size. It will take up a decent amount of counter space. Let me show you the size of it in the box. It is about 11.5 inches, and if you account for the handle, about 13 across the top. It's about 12 inches straight up and down, in case you have higher cabinets. It is, I'll say about 15.5, accounting for this here. So yeah, I hope this was helpful. I love videos like this, because when you have a certain aesthetic and you're looking for something, you don't know if it's too big, if it's going to work, if it's the size you want, and people unbox and don't give you enough details. I hope I gave enough. But you know, you're more than welcome to ask more questions. I will be using this and sharing a lot of recipes that I use this for, instead of cutting on the oven. I mean, it is pretty cool outside, so cutting on the oven at this time doesn't really make a difference, but definitely when it starts getting warm, the air fryer will be the way to go to make your chicken and things like that you want to make an oven. So once again, if you have any questions, leave them below, and if there's nothing else, you know I definitely will be responding to the questions or comments below. And if that's all, I will see you guys later, Gators.